Hey everybody, welcome to Make It Summer with Walmart. I'm Emma and today I'm going to be showing you how to make a treat stand using clay pots, glass plates, napkins, wrapping paper, and other things that you can find at your local Walmart. Let's go ahead and get started. For this project you'll need Podge dishwasher safe, your favorite colors of apple barrel multi-surface paint, some decorative napkins, a clear glass plate, a terracotta pot, a rapid dry glue. Today I'm going to be using Aleene's, a foam spouncer, a Podge brush, a small flat paintbrush, some scissors, and some wrapping paper. Okay, so first we're going to cut our wrapping paper and our napkins into cuttable segments. I'll show you what I mean. We're going to trim a piece of our wrapping paper so that it's nice and workable and easy to cut out flowers from. Start cutting out your flowers from your wrapping paper. Once you've cut out enough flower shapes, we're going to set these aside and start working on our napkin. We're going to want to make sure to remove all of the plies except for the one decorative layer. That way, when we Mod Podge it to our terracotta pot, it's nice and smooth onto the pot. I'm going to cut my napkin into workable strips. Next, we're going to base coat our terracotta pot with apple barrel multi-surface white. Now we're going to Mod Podge our cutout flowers from our wrapping paper face down onto the back side of our clear glass plate. And for a project like this, I just like to use my fingers to smooth out my paper and make sure it's really flush to my surface. I like using all types of thin papers like napkins, scrapbook paper, tissue paper, wrapping paper to adhere to things that have a groove like this plate. Take your strips of napkin that you cut out earlier and go ahead and adhere those to your pot. Lightly use your finger to press your napkin into the grooves of your pot. And go ahead and trim all the excess. And I decided to add some of my wrapping paper embellishments to my clay pot. Now I'm going to embellish the bottom of my glass plate with some leaves using apple barrel multi-surface True Green. The reason I'm using apple barrel multi-surface paint is because it's really great for applying onto slick surfaces like this glass plate, and it's indoor-outdoor safe and dishwasher safe. The last color of apple barrel multi-surface paint we'll be using for our project today is Acapulco. I'm going to take my foam spouncer and use it to apply my paint to the entire back of my plate. In order to make our project dishwasher safe, now we have to seal it with our Mod Podge dishwasher safe. To do that, we have to create a really strong barrier all around our pot and on the entire back side of our plate. For our final step, I'm going to use my Aleene's Rapid Dry to adhere my plate to my pot. And now you have a beautiful treat display that you can use all summer long. For more project ideas and inspiration, go to plaidonline.com.